I charged it up to 100%. Now I've got the battery terminal disconnected to simulate a dead battery. So I'm going to hook it up. Got that hooked up and hooked up to the terminal. So I got it hooked up, and you can see it's back down to 94%. There's no lights, nothing. I'm not getting anything, no clicks. As you can see, the light is on. Okay, I'm going to push the booster button. I thought I heard a click. So I'm going to go and see if I can start the car. It's down to 92% after that click. So now I'm going to go and start the car. There's no lights, nothing. So it's nothing hooked up. It's not getting any power. And it will not start. Not starting. Okay. This is a 2003 Toyota, and it is not starting. Got it hooked up properly, but no start.